Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope you all are good. In our last video, we have started chapter 2 and in that I explained you about successor and predecessor. Now today, let's begin with another topic that how to represent the numbers on number line and how to compare it with the help of number line. So let's see. You all are aware about the number line, right? You all have studied the number line. This is number line and it starts with 0. 0, then on the right of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, infinite in this direction, right? Now, let us understand that on the number line, as you will move in the right direction, your numbers are increasing. If you will note it, see 0, then next to 0, 1. 1 is greater than 0 and 1 is on the right side of the 0. This is the right side of 0 and this is left side of 0. So 1 is on the right side of the 0. Then 2. 2 is on the right side of 1 and it is greater. So likewise, as you will move in the right direction, your numbers will increase, and if you will move in the left direction, then your number will decrease. See, 4. 4 is on the left side of 5 and it is smaller than 5. Similar way, 3 is smaller than 4 and 5. 2 is also smaller than all. 0 is also smaller than all. So as you will move in the right direction, your numbers will increase, your numbers will become greater and greater. And as you will move in the left direction on the number line, your number will decrease. Means your numbers will become smaller and smaller. Okay, my dear students, so now let's begin with question 7. First we will read and understand the question, then after we will move to solution. In each of the following pairs of numbers, here you can see in each and every question they have given some pairs of numbers. State which whole number is on the left of other number on the number line. This is your first question. We have already discussed this on number line. If I will draw the number line 0, 1, 2, then 0 is on the left side of 1 and 1 is on the left side of 2. And as you will move in the right direction, your numbers will increase, and as you will move in the left direction, your numbers will decrease. So based on this, we are going to solve this question. And meanwhile, what you have to do, also write them with the appropriate sign greater than or less than between them. So first, 530 and 503. So let's write the sign 530 and 503. Which one is greater? Obviously 530 is greater. Also you have to write that 530 is on the left of 503 or 503 is on the left of 530. You have to write the left of the other number. So in the left direction, as you will move, your number will decrease. यानी जो छोटा नंबर होगा वो लेफ्ट साइड पर जाएगा. तो यहाँ 530 और 503 में से कौन सा नंबर स्मॉलर है? 503. So 503 is on the left of 530. 503 is on the left of 530. So likewise you have to write, and then you have to write this one. Let's see this one, 370 and 307. I already told you the smaller number will be on the left side. So from these two, which one is on the left side? Exactly 307, because 307 is smaller. So 307 will be on the left of 370, and then you have to put the sign greater than and less than. Similar way, C and D you will do by yourself. Again I am explaining. You have to mention that from this given pair which number is on the left side on the number line. So जो नंबर स्मॉलर होगा वो नंबर लाइन पर लेफ्ट में जाएगा. तो 530 और 503 में से कौन सा नंबर स्मॉलर है? That is 503. So 503 will be on left of 530, and then you have to mention the greater and less than sign. I hope it is clear. Next question, question 8. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? So here they have given you some statements. From that you have to say that the given statement is right or wrong, means true or false. So first, 0 is the smallest natural number. Now in our previous video we have discussed what is natural number and whole number. So what are the natural numbers? The numbers which we use for counting. So natural numbers starts with 1, right? 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. So is 0 there in the natural number? No, 0 is not present in the natural number. And here it is saying that 0 is the smallest natural number. So can you say that this is correct? 0 तो यहाँ present ही नहीं है, तो फिर वो smallest कैसे होगा? 0 is not the natural number, right? So this statement is false. So which one is the smallest natural number? Yes, 1 is the smallest natural number. Understood? Next, 400 is the predecessor of 399. Predecessor means what? Number before or from the given number you will subtract 1. यानी 400 किसका predecessor है? 399 का. So let's check it. Let's subtract 1 from 399. Why we subtracting 1? Because they have asked a predecessor. So 9 minus 1, 8, 9 and 3. So is it correct answer? Is 400 is the predecessor? No, 400 is not the predecessor. So this also false, right? 400 is the successor. If you will add 1 in 399, then you will get 400. यानी 400 इसका successor है, predecessor नहीं है, इसलिए ये कैसा होगा? False. Then 0 is the smallest whole number. So what are the whole numbers? I explained it and I told that it will start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. So now can you say that 0 is the smallest whole number? Yes, 0 is the smallest whole number. So this statement is true. This one you will do by yourself. Next, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Here you can see these are the natural numbers and these are the whole numbers. क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है कि ये सारे नेचुरल नंबर्स जो है वो होल नंबर्स है। सो चेक 1 2 3, तो ये सारे जो नंबर्स है वो होल नंबर्स में प्रेजेंट है। यस, ज़ीरो नहीं है, लेकिन ज़ीरो नेचुरल नंबर भी नहीं है, राइट। ये जो भी नेचुरल नंबर्स है वो सारे यहाँ प्रेजेंट है। सो येस, ऑल द नेचुरल नंबर्स आर होल नंबर्स, सो ट्रू। देन ऑल द होल नंबर्स आर नेचुरल नंबर्स, यानी अब वो क्या कह रहा है कि ये सारे होल नंबर्स नेचुरल नंबर्स भी है। तो चेक करो, ये सारे होल नंबर्स यहाँ प्रेजेंट है, कंपेयर देम। यस, ज़ीरो इज़ नॉट प्रेजेंट हियर, तो सारे होल नंबर्स नेचुरल नंबर्स नहीं हैं। दैट्स वाई दिस इज रॉन्ग, सो फॉल्स। द प्रीडेसेसर यानी -1 कोई भी नंबर का, द प्रीडेसेसर ऑफ अ 2 डिजिट नंबर, यहाँ उन्होंने स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया है कि कौन सा 2 डिजिट नंबर, इट कैन बी एनी। द प्रीडेसेसर ऑफ 2 डिजिट नंबर इज नेवर, नेवर मीन्स कभी भी पॉसिबल नहीं है ऐसा, इज नेवर अ सिंगल डिजिट नंबर। I explained you about 1 digit number and 2 digit number. 1 to 9, these all are 1 digit number. Then 10 onwards, 10 to 99 all are 2 digit number. तो ये क्या कह रहा है कि कोई भी 2 digit number का predecessor कभी भी 1 digit number नहीं हो सकता. So let's say 10. If you will subtract 1 from 10, why are we subtracting 1? Because they have said predecessor. So you will get 9. So 10 is your 2 digit number. उसका predecessor हमने लिया तो हमें क्या मिला? 1 digit number. लेकिन ये क्या कह रहा है कि वो कभी भी possible नहीं है, जबकि वो है. So this is false. 1 is the smallest whole number. Look here. Is 1 is the smallest whole number? No. 0 is the smallest whole number. So this is false. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. यानी जो 1 है नेचुरल नंबर, उसका predecessor नहीं है. Obviously नहीं है, क्योंकि नेचुरल नंबर है. नेचुरल नंबर में स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर क्या है? 1. सो दिस इज ट्रू. द होल नंबर 1, अब ये होल नंबर की बात हो रही है. 1 हैज़ नो प्रीडेसेसर. प्रीडेसेसर मतलब 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो 1 - 1 0, यानी वो तो है ना. सो द होल नंबर 1 हैज़ नो प्रीडेसेसर, लेकिन प्रीडेसेसर उसका है. So this statement is false. The whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. यानी 13 जो है वो 11 और 12 के बीच में है. Is it true? No, false. It's like this. 2 is lies between 1 and 3. So this is correct. 2 is between 1 and 3. वो उन दोनों के बीच में है. लेकिन now let's begin with L. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. Whole numbers. So let's write the whole numbers. It starts with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, up to infinite. So as you can see, predecessor means number before or -1 from the given number. So is there any number before 0? No, there is no any number before 0. और ये भी यही कह रहा है कि predecessor नहीं है. So this statement is true. Then next is the successor means the number after or +1 in the given number. The successor of a 2 digit number is always a 2 digit number. ऑलवेज मीन्स हमेशा 2 डिजिट ही होगा. सो लेट्स टेक वन एग्जाम्पल. 99. 99 is 2 digit number 1 and 2, and its successor means plus 1. So 9 plus 1 10, 0 down 1 up 10. So is it 2 digit number? 100 is 3 digit number 1, 2 and 3. So और ये यहाँ क्या कह रहा है कि successor of a 2 digit number, we have taken one example. Successor of 2 digit number is always यानी हमेशा 2 digit ही होगा. Is it necessary? No, it can be 3 digit also. So this statement is